In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import orders into Shopify Auto Transfer. We'll walk through installing the app you'll need to handle order imports and automate transfers using the Shopify App Store. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for so you can get set up smoothly. Start by going to shopify.com and signing into your store's admin. Make sure you're using an account with permission to install apps. If you're working with a team, confirm that your role allows app installation, otherwise you may not see the options we're about to use. Once you're in the Shopify admin, look to the left sidebar and open the Apps section. On the Apps page, choose Add Apps. This is the gateway to bringing new tools into your store. If you see a prompt or banner for the Shopify App Store, go ahead and click Shopify App Store to continue. Depending on your browser, this may open in a new tab. If pop-ups are blocked, allow the site so the store can open correctly. Inside the Shopify App Store, use the search bar and type Firebear, then press Enter. You're looking for the Firebear app that supports import and export operations, including order imports and automation capabilities. Take a moment to review the app's listing details, supported features, and pricing. Skimming the description and recent reviews is a great way to confirm it fits your needs before you proceed. When you see the Firebear app in the results, click it to open the full details page. Here, you can double check that it mentions order import features and workflow automation or auto transfer options. If the listing matches what you need, continue to installation. Click Install. Shopify will show you a permissions screen that explains what data the app needs access to, such as orders and customers. Read this carefully, then approve to continue. If the app offers paid plans or trial periods, Shopify may show a charge approval screen. Review it and confirm to finalize installation. The process is secure and handled directly through Shopify's billing system. A couple of quick tips as you proceed. It's wise to have a recent export or backup of your store data before you start experimenting with imports. Also, consider testing with a small sample first once you're inside the app so you can verify field mappings and formats. If you don't see the apps option or the App Store button, check your admin permissions or try a different browser. Once the Firebear app is installed, you're ready to open it from your apps list. From there, the app's onboarding will guide you through importing orders and setting up auto transfer workflows tailored to your store.